Hi guys, welcome back to WebSense Pro. I'm your host Bilal Nasir and we are today with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can bulk delete all of the spammy comments on your WordPress website. So this is one of our client website who approached us to do search engine optimization for them to fix the on-page SEO, and there was some malware on the back end which we removed, and during the process there were a lot of comments on the back end. So I thought to create a tutorial video while I'm removing the comments. So if you go to the back end, there are about 595k comments, so we cannot delete it manually. We'll have to do it via PHPMyAdmin. And if you want to learn how to do that without any coding, please stick to the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment on the video below, like and share. Okay, so let's jump into it. Guys, I'm going to teach you two methods on how you can bulk delete all the comments. Number one is to go to via PHPMyAdmin and do it via database. So in order to do that, I'll go to the cPanel of the website. Also guys, if you don't know how to stop the spam comments, I would suggest a video which I have already created. I'm going to put the link in the description so you guys can learn how to stop all the spammy comments, because no matter how many times you delete all these comments, they keep coming back. So after deleting these comments, you should implement how to stop the spam comments in the WordPress. Okay, logging in. Now, if you have multiple WordPress installs on your cPanel, first go to File Manager and then go to Public HTML, and on that specific WordPress install, open up the WP config file. So my domain is pointed to the root directory of cPanel. So that's why I'm going to the root directory and opening up the WP config. If you have multiple domains, then you will need to find out where your domain is pointed, to which directory it's pointed to. In order to do that, you will go to domains, and from domains settings in cPanel, you can find out that which directory your domain is pointed to. Now we are deleting comments from this domain name, and this domain name is pointed to this public HTML. And from public HTML, now we will go to WP config file to find out the database name. Click on WP config file and then edit. If you just have one WordPress install, then you don't need to find the database name, because your PHPMyAdmin will only have one database. Okay, so here's our database name. Now we'll go to PHPMyAdmin in order to delete all of the comments from our WordPress website. Okay, where is PHPMyAdmin? Let's search it. So here's PHPMyAdmin. And here's our database. Now open up the database, and from here you can see WP comments and WP comment meta. We will delete all of these. We will empty both of these database tables in order to delete our comments, which will do it within a second. Before doing it, make sure to download the backup of it. So click on export and then select quick and then select go button to download the database. So guys, our database has been downloaded. If you mess up anything on the database tables, if you mistakenly delete the wrong table, you can easily click on import and then re-upload your database in order to make sure nothing breaks on your website. Okay, now click on that, click on our database and click on empty button here. As you can see on my WP comments table column, we have this empty button. So I'm going to click on that. Enable foreign key checks, click on OK. And here we go. It took 1.08 seconds in order to delete all of the comments which we had in our WordPress. Now I'm going to the backend and hit refresh. And here we go. All of the spammy comments which we had on our website has been deleted. Now, if you have comments which were approved, you should not follow this method. And if you want to keep your approved comments, you should not follow this method. If you have comments which are all spam in your website, then only you should be following this method, deleting the spam comments through PHPMyAdmin. Again, if you have approved comments, don't follow this method, because that way you'll be delete your approved comments, which you don't want to do. Now go to the front end and see if the website is same as it is. Okay, that's how our website was. It's working completely fine. Okay, now another method which I'm going to show you guys how you can delete comments safely without messing up with the database. So in order to do that, click on plugins and click on add new. From here, you can find out the plugin called bulk delete. And here we have WP bulk delete. I'm going to install this plugin. Click on activate. Okay, now we have a new custom post type which says WP bulk delete. Click on that. So you have multiple options. You can delete posts if you have a lot of spammy posts. Sometime when you get malware, you get hundreds and thousands of posts in your WordPress backend. You can easily delete those using this plugin, and you can delete meta fields, delete users, delete terms. So for now, we are checking delete comments. And here you can see we have options to delete comments by status. So if you don't want to delete approved comments in your WordPress website, you can simply uncheck it and check all of the remaining ones like trash, spam, pending comments. If you still don't want to delete the pending comments, you can uncheck that as well. And you can simply click on delete comments and it will delete all of the comments which you have in your website, which you want to delete. So guys, these were the two methods which I wanted to share with you guys in order to delete the spammy comments from your WordPress websites. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment in the video below if you have any questions related to WordPress. And if you want our services, please contact us on info@websensepro.com. You can also find all of the details in our YouTube page description. Until next video, have a great day.